Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. As most of the students would like to go for CMA Foundation, which is Cost and Management Accounting course, so would like to give you some brief idea about the CMA course. CMA course is divided into 3 stages: CMA Foundation, CMA Inter, CMA Final. CMA Foundation is the entry level course which you have to complete. You can do it after your 12th, and there is no requirement as if you have to do only through commerce only. No need. You can do CMA Foundation even if you are from science background or commerce background or any other background. So what you have to do, you just have to pay 6,000 rupee at the institute website. Institute means Institute of Cost and Management Accounting. You have to pay 6,000 rupee and your registration will be done. You will get the books and you can start your preparation. There will be 4 subjects. First subject is accounts. There will be 2 sections of account. Financial accounting 70%, 30% cost accounting. Paper number 2, mathematics. Mathematics 40%, 60% is related to statistics. Paper number 3, that is related to law. Law 80%, 20% will be communication. Paper number 4 is economics. Economics will be considered for 70% and 30% will be relevant to management. This is how the course is designed. And what you have to do, no need to pay any fees for any course. Join here at UACA, Unique Ambitious Commerce Academy, for free of cost CMA Foundation course. So join the WhatsApp link. See you there.